Did you know the room where you fight with your partner can predict if you'll get divorced? New research reveals something shocking. Couples who argue in the kitchen have an 84% chance of divorce within 18 months. That's almost 9 out of 10 couples. Bedroom fights? 76% end in breakups within 2 years. But here's the crazy part. Couples who argue in the car only divorce 23% of the time. Why does location matter so much? When you fight in the kitchen, you destroy the safety of your nurturing space. The place where you cook together and share meals becomes toxic. Bedroom arguments contaminate your most intimate space. Every time you see that room, you remember the conflict. But car fights feel temporary. You're just passing through. The living room is actually the best place for difficult talks. 67% of couples resolve their issues when they discuss problems there. So next time you need to have a serious conversation, think about where you're having it. Your relationship might depend on it.